Today we are to discuss one of the important heterocyclic ring, that is acridine in heterocyclic compounds, which is essentials, which is essential heterocyclic moiety, which is present in the most of the medicinal drugs. That is acridine. In this slide, this is structure of acridines. Is a benzone fused indole. If you see the structure of quinoline, this is structure of quinoline. In quinoline part, this side bind with this benzene rings, another benzene rings. That is dibenzopyridines are called as benzoquinolines or collectively called as acridine. This ring we have to study with their properties, various chemical synthesis and chemical reactions along with acridine containing drugs having their medicinal uses. So let's start with the properties of acridines. Here acridine, first property, acridine is a aromatic in nature. This is structure of acridines. Here the pyridine is fused with two benzene rings, one with left side, another with right side. These benzene rings fuse together with pyridine moiety. That's why it is called as dibenzopyridine. The chemical name for acridine is dibenzo B, E side of the pyridine. For example, you have to see the fusion of benzene ring on pyridine at B side. If you consider this pyridine, A side, B side, C, D side, and E phase or E side of pyridine is fused with the two molecule of benzenes. That's why their name is dibenzo BE pyridine, or collectively called as 2,3-benzoquinoline. If you see the structure, this is a part of quinoline. At quinoline ring structure, this junction is a 2,3 junction, while the fusion of this another benzene ring on quinoline. That's why the name is 2,3-dibenzoquinolines. The numbering start from this benzene ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 number goes to the quinoline, acridine nitrogens having unshared electron present on the nitrogen atoms. All the atoms present in acridine is sp2 hybridized atoms, and this sp2 hybridized is planar in nature. All the atoms present in the acridine or orbital picture of the acridine is planar in nature with sp2 hybridized atoms, nitrogen along with carbon atom present in the dibenzopyridine ring in acridines. Total delocalized electron present in the acridine ring is 14, 13 from carbon atom, 1 from nitrogen atoms. So as per the aromaticity character, compound should be cyclic in nature, alternate, single double bond, carbon, single and carbon, double bond should be present, and it obeys Huckel's rule. That is 4n plus 2 is equal to dash dash. Here n is equal to integral number. If you put n is 3, then 4 into 3 plus 2 is equal to total 14 pi electrons along with cyclic and alternate single double bond present in the structure. Those compounds come under aromatic characters. So as per the acridine ring is cyclic in nature, alternate single double bonds, and it obeys Huckel's rule. On this aromatic criteria, this acridine is aromatic in nature, as well as acridine is weaker base, weak basic in nature. These are the property related with the acridine. Now we have to move with the synthetic part. How will you prepare the acridines? The first method to prepare the acridine from diphenylamine 2 carboxylic acid. That is this one. How will you prepare? Diphenylamine 2 carboxylic acids. How will you prepare? From anilines, aniline react with the 2 chlorobenzoic acids. It will make diphenylamine 2 carboxylic acid. This diphenylamine 2 carboxylic acids undergo react with the phosphorus oxychloride. It will form the cyclized 9 chloro 910 dihydroacridines followed by a reduction and to form 910 dihydroacridine followed by oxidations, and it will produce aromatic nature containing acridine is a final product. This is a one way to prepare the acridine from diphenylamine 2 carboxylic acid with phosphorus oxychloride. Another way, if this diphenylamine 2 carboxylic acid react with the sulfuric acids, it will undergo cyclization and formation of 9 in bracket H acridinones. It is ketone containing acridine followed by reduction in presence of sodium metals to form the 910 dihydroacridine followed by oxidations and to make acridine. This is another second method to prepare acridines from diphenylamine 2 carboxylic acid. Either you have to use with this H2SO4 or with phosphorus oxychloride. You have to use to prepare the acridine. Another method is the Bristine acridine synthesis. For this synthesis, diarylamines is the starting material precursor for the synthesis of acridine. This precursor is react with the carboxylic acid or acetic anhydride in presence of zinc chloride to form 9 substituted aromatic acridine. Here, this is structure of diphenyl amines react with the carboxylic acids to make 9 substituted acridine. This is another second method to prepare the acridine from Birstone acridine synthesis. Starting material is diarylamines react with carboxylic acid in presence of zinc chloride. It will form 9 substituted acridine. These are the methods for the preparation of acridine. Now we have to move with the chemical reactions of acridine. First reaction is electrophilic addition to nitrogen atoms. Here in acridines, the nitrogen is having lone pair of electron present on the nitrogen atoms. This involved in the electrophile additions toward nitrogen atoms. Here, electrophilic addition to nitrogen. First reaction is protonations. Acridine undergo protonations. There is addition of proton on nitrogen atoms and to form the acridine hydrochloride if HCl is reacted with acridines to make this product. Second, electrophile addition to nitrogen reaction is an alkylations. An alkylation means addition of alkyl group towards nitrogen atoms. This is a method, second method to prepare an alkylated product. The acridine react with the methyl iodide. It will form the 10-methyl acridinium iodide. There is a substitution of methyl group on nitrogen atoms who's having lone pair of electron present on the acridine moiety. In this way, the electrophilic addition to nitrogen will be carried out. First is protonation, second is N-alkylations, where addition of alkyl substitution, addition of alkyl into the acridine takes. Second chemical reaction is electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Here, one of the examples you have to see is a halogenations. In halogenation, specifically bromination, you have to consider for the electrophilic substitution reactions. Here, acridines which undergo brominations, it will form two bromoacridines and 2,7 dibromoacridine was the product formations. If acridine undergo bromination in presence of acetic acids, acetic acid act as a catalyst for the halogenation reaction, bromination reactions to form the mixture of 2-bromoacridine and 2,7-dibromoacridine. Third reaction of acridine is reduction reactions. Reduction, both two ways reduction, either in presence of palladium or in presence of ranitidines. If you see with the palladium, there is a formation of octahydroacridines. There is a addition of 8 hydrogens or 4 hydrogen molecules added on the benzene rings, which is present on acridine. There is an addition of 8 hydrogen atoms in the acridine, and to form the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octahydroacridine reduced product was formed. Instead of this palladium, the ranitidine is used catalytic reductions. It will form 9,10 dihydroacridine product. Depend on the catalyst, which type of reduced product was formed. There is addition of hydrogens on 10 position of nitrogen and 9 positions on acridine ring, and to form the reduced product, that is 9,10 dihydroacridine as a final product. This is a reduction reaction related to the acridines. Next reaction is oxidation reactions. Generally for the oxidations, alkaline potassium permanganate is used for as a oxidizing agents. Here acridines undergo oxidation in presence of alkaline potassium permanganate. It will form 2,3-dicarboxylic acid. Which type of? Quinoline 2,3-dicarboxylic acid was formed by oxidations of acridines. In alkaline media, this product was formed, quinoline 2,3-dicarboxylic acid formations. Next reaction of acridine, that is nucleophilic substitution of nucleophiles on acridine rings. For that nucleophilic substitution reactions, Chichibian reaction is used. We have to see Chichibian reaction, nothing but is a reaction of sodamide at higher temperature. It will form product, nucleophile substituted product. That type of reaction is called as Chichibian reaction. Here the starting material is acridines. Acridine react with sodamide in presence of strong heat around 150 to 160 degrees centigrade. It will form 9 amino acridines. There is substitution of nucleophile at 9 positions. 9 amino acridine was formed. This is a nucleophilic substitution product of acridines. These are the some chemical reactions related to the acridines. And the drugs, some drugs having acridine as a basic moiety. This drug is 9 amino acridines having the acridine moiety, and these drugs is called as 9 amino acridines, generally used for the disinfectant as well as antiseptic agents. And generally in the industry, it is used as a fluorescent dye. 9 amino acridines. And another is tacarines. Tacarine having dihydro hexahydro product of acridine. This tacarine having the acridine moiety, and this drug is used for the Alzheimer's disease. And for the preparation of pyridine, these are the references are used.